Indian food we ate yesterday.
Okay.
So today, the itinerary, Elaine, we're going to the Starbucks.
Yeah,
Then-
starting from the Al-Seef Starbucks.
Starbucks,
Yeah,
then
then we'll go the Abra rides, boat ride.
boat ride.
Yeah, Bar Dubai to New Dubai to Old Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah, that's only 5-10 minutes rides.
Okay.
Then I can pick up us there in the Old Dubai areas.
Okay.
Then we will go the Spice Souk and Gold Souk.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's it. Good morning. We'll see the area now.
Ma'am, tomorrow what's the program?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Miracle Garden.
Okay.
And then, wait, Miracle Garden.
We can check again possible to
And then-
tomorrow we can go in there in the Dubai Mall.
And then Palm the View.
Palm
of
the View, okay, Palm
and
the
then
View.
there's another one.
View of the Palm. Okay, okay. We are going to study also in the Atlantis area. There is also View the Palm. That's an Akil Milli.
And evening Marina do Cruise.
Marina Cruise. Okay, 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 okay. After
Very nice
7:30 will open in the fountain show.
Okay.
The Ramadan time, the 7:30 will start the fountain show.
Where?
Fountain.
At the
Dubai Mall, Dubai Mall.
Yun ba yung maganda? Yun ba yun?
Hindi yun yung program. Pero, it's different siguro. Kasi mas maganda siguro yan. Kasi, Ramadan. Pero, ano maganda yung fountain show?
This is the embassy area for the
That's
US, British,
Yeah, it's British Embassy.
British embassy. And
Saudi
on the right
Arabia
side
embassy.
will be the creek area.
Yes. Al-Seef, sir, Al-Seef.
Al-Sip.
A-L-S.
Which ma'am?
What's the spelling?
Al-Seef. A-L-S-E-E-P.
Al-Sip.
Al-Seef area. Yeah.
This is the creek side.
S-E-E-F. This is called these areas. Yeah. That's other side is now Old Dubai.
Old Dubai. This is
All
Old Dubai.
Dubai. We are going to now the parking area undergrounds and we come upstairs. Okay.
Okay.
Dito nga.
So these are old buildings,
Building pala.
very historical buildings, and we
Historical
have
building.
stores inside.
Al-Seef.
Who used to live here?
Who man?
Who used to live here?
No,
before?
no. Now nobody is not live there. It is only shops.
Before.
Before
Before.
it's Sheikh Mohammed families.
Family.
Yeah.
Sheikh Mohammed.
58, 58, 60, 70s. All in our families.
The royal.
Okay.
1960s?
Yes.
Oh, it's not that far.
Yeah, actually 1966 nag-ano itong Dubai. Narinig ko sa... Kasi sabi doon sa... What's so special about 1966 in Dubai?
We are already formed the UAE 1976.
1976. I think.
76. Yeah, we can form the UAE, United Arab Emirates. That's including in 7 Emirates. It's Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Kuwait, and Fujairah. That's the 7 Emirates, including UAE. That's one of the president. The other guys is in the vice president. The president of the UAE, the Abu Dhabi king, Sheikh Mohammed bin Al Nahyan, Sheikh Khalifa. The short name is Khalifa.
Okay.
The current president of the UAE, Sheikh Mohammed bin Al Nahyan.
Yeah. Are they related, the king and the president?
Both of two families, huh?
Okay.
Both of two king families. One of in Khalifa family, second one is in Al Maktoum family.
They are probably very wealthy.
Yeah. He will handling to the UAE, both of two families. Because other families not coming inside the
politics.
ruling.
Look at those buildings.
The underground parking.
Underground parking.
This is the underground part.
Punta natin dito. Si Elaine, no? Picture. Ito yung parang intramuros nila eh. Oo.
This is different.
Different area.
Different area pero maganda rin yung...
Pero mas marami dito. Ito yung lugar, oh. Ano, mga old TV. Yung TV, oh. Bili tayo.
Coming next time here, right?
Where will we meet you?
Yeah. Right same place, yeah. See you. After 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. 9:30, 10 days.
Okay, thank you.
You can go this side also is Starbucks. You can see the
Starbucks.
That is
Okay.
That's the famous
Okay.
Starbucks.
Yeah, famous Starbucks.
Okay, very
That
nice.
side also you can take picture, no?
Very
After
historical,
same
oh.
place, eh? Ma'am, you can buy something here. Little bit costly to compare to our old people.
Oh, yeah. So what you're saying is cheaper decoration also.
Elaine, no?
What time are we gonna...
10:30. Now it's 9:30, right?
10:30. 1 hour? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Ayos. Ito yung famous Starbucks sila dito. Old Starbucks. Magandang building. At si Elena yun, nagpipicture sa kabila. Ito yung kanilang parang creek. Ito at loob. Pasok tayo. Pakita lang natin yung loob. Cool. Makikita sa loob. Parang na kayo nakapasyal, ah. Very good. Pakit lang tayo dito. Ang simple. Kamusta buhay? Kamusta? Ayos ka? Salamat naman. Dito pa. Nandito kasi ito. Anong lugar ito? Alsit. Sino din siya? Very good. Ito lang tayo. Very good. Thank you, ah. Ganda. Ito yung mga lugar nila. Very historical. Ano to? Historical Starbucks ba to? Maraming nagkasabi eh. Bakit? Dahil maganda yung lugar? Yun lang. Buti ka pa, masaya dito. Dahil pagkain dito. Benta-benta. Sige, thank you. So ito siya. Paikot. Tapos na tayo. Salamat. Tapos tayo. Push. Si Elaine. Mukhang mamimili, ah. Nabili si Elaine. Hirap na maraming pinipindot na camera. Paikot to. So marami maganda magpa-picture dito. Si Elaine. Kailan ko din binibili. Sorry.
Is there spices?
Laurel ba?
Laurel.
Low. Welcome to Dubai. Discover Dubai. Ang kanila mismo orong mga bakal sila sa mga damit. Ito maganda magpa-picture. Picture tong dalawang magnanay. Mga bahay dito, ano dati palang bahay ito ng mga Shrek. Shrek ba tawag? Hindi ko naman tawag. Ano man. Ikot.